So guys, if you're watching this video, you're somewhat into crypto, do not click off of the video. Right now, the crypto markets are trading sideways and altcoins are pumping up and down on the 7-day. My altcoins are looking quite nice, but there's a lot of different things going on. And today I want to talk about how you can make money despite if the markets are going up or if they're going down. And the way you do that is with day trading. Now, there's leverage trading and there's spot trading, just dependent on your risk appetite and if you're willing to play with, more amounts of money. This is where people make stupid amounts of money, guys, by playing with higher leverage and utilizing their experience in the markets to pretty much trade different assets. This is where you can make a ton of money, but to be real with you, if you do not have a full understanding, I recommend you have a basic understanding on how liquidity shifts, how to keep up with the sentiment in the market, specific price action around specific indicators, and overall exactly opening the markets, closing the markets, all that good stuff, guys, to have a basic understanding on how to play the markets. These past few days, I've ran up my account multiple times to around $600, $700, $500, and then pretty much pulled out the money, bought myself some stuff, and then from there, played again with $100 and keep doing it over and over and over again. And I wanted pretty much to share my perspective around it. In these past, few months, I have lost money doing day trading, but I've also made a crazy amount of money. And the more you learn, the more you see the charts, the more indicators you see, the more patterns you see, the better you get at it. And it all starts, guys, with just taking the first step. I recommend opening a trading account. You do not have to play with real money. If you guys open a trading account with my affiliate code on WEEX, you can actually go confirm your email, confirm your phone number, and a few other things like your ID, KYC, just finish all that, and you can get up to $200 for free. And you can actually play with that real money and turn that money into more money. Or if you don't really know what you're doing, you can use it as a test trial to just see how everything is going. You can also open up a dummy account and play with fake money as well. This is all, something I recommend to anyone that's getting into crypto trading, wants to start making consistent gains. You can start doing stuff like day trading. Now, like how I said, you got to have a basic understanding around TA, how price action moves, the sentiment. But the moment that you start to learn all that good stuff, you can start to make daily plays and make some decent gains. Guys, I still work a normal 9 to 5. There's my freaking monitor with my laptop and a few other different things. I'm not like all these crypto YouTubers or influencers that make millions and just, shoot professional videos and just give you guys a narrative based off of what they're feeling. No, I'm trying to make some decent gains. I have a long-term portfolio. I keep you guys updated with the day-to-day events and price action on Bitcoin, altcoins, how liquidity shifts, and everything you need to be aware of as a crypto investor, an altcoin investor. But there's also multiple other ventures where you can make some crazy gains. And I know a lot of y'all are scared to take that next step. And at the end of the day, if you're always scared to take the next step, then you're not going to be able to make, those crazy gains because you're not willing to take a chance. But if you are willing to take a chance, I recommend opening up a WEEX account with my affiliate code. I would really appreciate it because not only are you supporting me, but also you can also learn a little bit more about everything that's going on by keeping up with this channel. And right now, this is pretty much how I'm making the gains, guys, despite all the pumps and the dumps that are happening in the market. And whenever we see crazy pumps, that's whenever you can day trade on those days and make exorbitant amount of money. And same thing whenever the markets are crashing down quite significantly. That's whenever you can short the market and also make crazy amounts of money. But there's market manipulation. There's specific indicators you need to be keeping up with. There's patterns that you got to know. There's a lot of different stuff, guys. I'm leverage trading while I'm talking to you guys on this video right now. So this is where you got to learn a little bit more about actual leverage, isolated trades, combined trades, what asset you want to play with, and exactly, your risk appetite with all this good stuff. I am generally playing with anywhere from 15 to 30x leverage with position sizes of anywhere from $50 to $100 to $150. I have a basic understanding and technical analysis and overall how the markets move and specific indicators to let me know, how liquidity is shifting. And that pretty much gives me a basic understanding on how to, invest and make my plays. I'm going to share on this channel more in-depth information on my not marketing strategies, because that's one of the different things in the business that I do, but overall my trading strategies to give you guys an in-depth understanding on how someone normal like me can make these gains. You can do it too, but it comes with having an understanding and learning and progressing. No one automatically came out the gate and started making stupid amounts of money with day trading. That's just not how it happens. My first day, I actually did make some decent gains, but I also lost the majority of it because I started getting too greedy, started playing too dumb, and that's a whole nother video that we can talk about. But in today's video, I just want to, get you started, give you an understanding about day trading, leverage trading, my experience with it, and the gains that I've been seeing these past few days. And right now the markets are trading up and down, so this is where you can position yourself correctly, take a short or a long position and potentially make a good amount of money. Now, like I said, this is not financial advice by any means. I recommend you go get some understanding in the markets. Keep updated with my YouTube channel because I keep you guys updated with all the day-to-day information, price action, indicators, how investors are feeling, and what you need to do. So just stay tuned, guys. And overall, go set up an account with WEEX with my affiliate code. I would really appreciate it. But let me know what you guys' experience with day trading is. Have you guys done it? Do you do spot trading? Do you do leverage trading? Do you think it's a scam? I don't think it's a scam. I just think it's something that is so out of reach from a lot of people that everyone thinks it's a scam, like drop shipping or day trading or anything, affiliate marketing. There's a lot of different business models where people just do not understand the model because they do not invest the proper time and understanding into it. But give me a perspective. I'm making some decent gains right now, and I plan on making more decent gains as we run up further in the crypto markets. But overall, let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.